What the police here for?
What they here for?
Yeah.
That's their job.
Good citizen?
Yes, sir.
You got some ID?
Don't need one. All right, what's your name and badge number?
He just ran a stop sign.
Oh my God.
Hey, what the police up here for?
What is that?
What the police up here for?
What is that?
What the police here for?
What they here for?
Yeah.
That's their job.
Oh. See what kind of this is. Check on it.
You have a problem, young man?
Oh, I'm just checking on you, Bubba, seeing how you doing
That
tonight.
camera out my face, young man.
I can't do that,
How
man.
can I help you?
I'm just checking with you,
Do you need some
Bubba.
help?
No, I'm all right. I'm good.
Okay.
Just check, see
Who
how
are
you doing, man.
Who are you?
Good citizen.
Good citizen?
Yes, sir.
You got some ID?
Don't need one.
In the state of South Carolina?
No.
Who am I talking to?
You need reasonable
Who am I talking to?
Good citizen.
You want to talk to me, right?
Good citizen.
Okay.
I didn't want to talk with you. I just come to check up on you.
Well, I'm fine. Thank you.
All right. What's your name and badge number? You trying to solicit a trespass? Are you trying to solicit a trespass? Are you trying to solicit a trespass right now?
Young man.
Are you trying to solicit a trespass right now?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to them.
I'm talking to you right now. Public servant.
I have nothing
Public
to say.
servant. I'm talking to you.
Hey, did they come in any of these vehicles right here? All right. Thank you. I found her.
Yeah, see you later, public servant. I'm gonna find out your name, all kinds of
There it is
shit.
right there.
I'm gonna find out all kinds of shit on you, Bubba.
You see, gonna do what?
I'm gonna find out all kinds of shit on you.
Okay, how can I help?
You
trying to get out?
you can actually stay. You can actually quit blocking traffic.
I want to make sure
You can quit blocking traffic. You can quit blocking traffic.
move over here for
Yeah, go ahead and quit blocking traffic. Unprofessionalism. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. That is interesting. I'll be I'm gonna be everywhere you are.
I gotta go somewhere real quick. I promise you. I'll
Okay.
Be right back.
Oh, okay.
You'll be right here.
I'll be right here.
Both of you?
Yeah. 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 You gonna find out real quick. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, they didn't even stop. Where they going? Oh no, they're turning around.
JW audits, FRF activists, just walking on the public sidewalk. They just turned around.
There's the other one. Got some gang activity going on here. What is going down here? And they're on private property. Quit violating my First Amendment right. Open yourself up for deprivation of rights in the color of law. Title 18, 242, 1983. How y'all doing? Beat anybody up tonight? This is Blackville PD right here.
That is fun.
Making threats. And they're on private property? Just sitting there. It's alright, we'll stay on public. Y'all good? License plate 67562 MG, South Carolina. Circling around and doing all kind of crazy shit. Like, got all that. Hey, I'm gonna get a public record of that too, Bubba.
We got you.
Gonna make a public record of that. Don't destroy it. That's called evidence. We will FOIA request it. Don't destroy it. That'll be destruction of evidence. That is a crime. And best hope that's not on your personal phone, because we will get it.
Wow.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Straight up.
Public servant. Put your phone down, public servant.
Doesn't he have a body cam for that? I'm confused.
Yeah, is that body cam on? What's your name and badge number there? I'm gonna find out anyway. Hold on, let me get his plate.
Yeah.
Make sure we stay on plate number.
The time is 9:45.
9:45.
9:45.
What's that plate number say? 563101. 563101. All right, cool. Yeah, 563101. Bam!
Bam!
Like that. First Amendment, baby. Oath breakers. Violators right there. Oath breakers. Look at that. Shining the light.
Wow.
Ah! Violating First Amendment. I already got your plate number. You'll get the complaints in the morning. Don't worry. Yeah, you'll get the complaints in the morning. Don't worry, I got your plate number. I'm gonna run your name, find out how much you make. I'm gonna find out everything about you. Everything about you I will find out. I will find out your disciplinary packet. I will find out everything about you. You are a public servant.
Trying to blind us.
Bam! Bam! You ain't shit. Slave, you welfare recipient. All of you are is welfare recipients. You collect your government check. Huh, slave? Huh? Huh, I can't hear you. Fucking punks.
He just ran a stop sign.
Oh my God. Oh.